This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by washing and drying your hands and clearing a flat, shaded workspace. Once done, open the kit and use the wet wipe, then the dry cloth. This removes oils and loose grit. Use a dust sticker to lift any remaining specks. This matters because trapped dust makes bubbles. Now pick up the screen protector and dry fit it. Hover and align edges to the tablet bezels so the first peel will be precise. You peel back about 1/2 of the protector's backing, exposing a single edge while keeping the rest covered to avoid dust. Then lower the exposed edge onto the tablet from the aligned corner. Make sure it contacts evenly. Once the edge is set, slowly pull the remaining backing and guide the protector down. As you go, press gently from center toward edges with your finger and follow with a squeegee wrapped in a microfiber cloth to expel air and prevent trapped bubbles. You finish by pressing along the entire perimeter to seat the adhesive. Run the microfiber cloth over the surface to remove streaks and ensure full contact. Inspect edges for any lifted corners and press them down firmly. If your screen protector is slightly oversized, carefully trim before final pressing. For troubleshooting, if a stubborn bubble remains, lift the nearest corner slightly and use a dust sticker to remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.